Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We have noted down these notes.
Very good. All the points you have written, these 2 points also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have written.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We have written.
Very good.
Sir, please wait for 2 minutes.
Sir, can I show you my copy?
No, beta. I will see afterwards.
Okay, sir.
Karan, beta, how are you?
Sir, fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. What are you doing right now? Waiting for the class. Achha, solving the Rubik's cube. Oh. So can you show it to me?
Sir, what?
How do you solve?
Mirror cube. Sir, it is mirror cube. Yes. Yeah, I have also solved it once. But now I forgot how to solve it. I can show it also. Rubik's cube. I have 5 by 5
Sir,
Rubik's
Rubik's
cube.
cube is very easy. But
Sir,
sir,
this is-
mirror cube is very difficult. सर होता ही नहीं है कभी.
अरे वाह, इतने सारे क्यूब्स हैं तुम्हारे पास. दिखाना, ये रेड वाला दिखाना, what होता है? This is a simple cube, red one. That one.
This is 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, sir. Yes, sir. This 3 by 3 I can solve in only in 1 minute. Yes, sir. Me. Sir, I
Yes, sir, 3 by 3 is very easy, but sir, the mirror is difficult, very difficult, sir, mirror one.
Sir, I can solve mirror one also.
Very good. And this one, the simple one, you can do it in how much time?
Sir, in 1 minute.
Sir, my higher score is 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
सर मेरे भैया ने सिखाया था मुझे बड़ी जल्दी जल्दी.
अच्छा. I have never tried it and I don't know anything about it, how to do it.
Sir, it is very easy.
Is there any maths applied in it? In solving a Rubik's cube? Any maths?
Sir, there are tricks to solve them.
Trick.
Sir, there are tricks to solve them. Making there will be a plus. There will be a plus to make. Sir, there are algorithms.
Algorithms.
Yes.
No maths is there.
Yes, sir. But plus is just needed in that. Yes, sir. First we have to make the plus. We have to make plus, but not add there. Sir, this is after making plus, it is very easy to make the Rubik's cube.
Karan is an expert in this. Very good. Chaliye, let's start with the chapter. Okay, so
Sir, now. Sir, please wait. Sir, in this period, we will do exercises.
in this period, we will start with the exercise. We will start with the exercise. Okay, in the first.
Okay, sir.
In the
Thank
first
you.
question number 1, A question. I mean question A.
Sir, but in this chapter there is only one exercise.
Sir, what we will do in this class? Sorry, sir, I was disconnected.
There is a table given in the question A. In that question, the item that is bought is given. The cost price of the item is given. The selling price of the item is given. You have to find.
So, sir, we have to do this in our book only. Sir, and sir, we have to tell that is it profit or loss?
Is it a profit or is it a loss?
Sir, in first one there is 2 loss. 2 rupees loss. profit वो sir it is a profit of rupees 2. Only
Sir,
second
I
one
want to
profit
say
of
something.
rupees 3, third one rupees 1, and fourth one profit of rupees 0.20, and fifth one rupees 2.50, and in sixth one loss of 1.50.
I have turned your mics off, everyone. You all were speaking together. I was not able to understand what you all were saying. So I have switched off all the mics. So yeah, listen to me carefully, everyone. In question A, it is first of all, it is to be done in the book. Okay. And what you have to do in the question? You have to see the cost price of the item, see the selling price of the item. Then you decide whether it is a profit or is it a loss. How do you decide? अगर selling price बढ़ा है, then it is a profit. अगर cost price बढ़ा है, then it is a loss. So accordingly, you have to find if it is a profit, you find the profit, कितना profit हुआ. If it is a loss, you find the loss, how much is the loss. Understood? And write your answers in the book. So start doing this table, complete the table, and then we will start with the next question. I am giving you to complete question A. I'm giving you 2 minutes to complete question A. Okay, start doing it. Okay, now all of you, your time is up. I'm telling you the answers. You all need to verify your answers. Okay. Of question A. First part, the item that is bought is bread. Bread is the item that is bought by Mr. Puri. CP is 8, SP is rupees 10. That means selling price is more. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है? Profit हो रहा है. Obviously, when the selling price is more, it is a profit. कितना profit हुआ? Rupees 2. It is a profit of rupees 2. Cost price वाले कॉलम में आप उसको blank छोड़ दीजिए. Selling price वाला जो कॉलम, सॉरी profit वाला जो कॉलम है, I'm sorry, प्रॉफिट वाला जो कॉलम है उसमें ₹2 लिखिए और लॉस वाला जो कॉलम है उसको ब्लैंक छोड़ दीजिए. Then second one, the item is juice. CP is 12, SP is 15, selling price is again more. कितना रुपीस का प्रॉफिट हुआ? 3 रुपीस का प्रॉफिट है. अगेन प्रॉफिट इज ₹3 एंड लॉस वाला कॉलम ब्लैंक. पेन, the cost price of the pen is ₹7 and the selling price is ₹6. selling price यहाँ पर कम है, cost price ज्यादा है, यानी कि महंगा खरीदा सस्ता बेच दिया. क्या हो गया? लॉस हो गया. कितना लॉस हुआ? ₹1 का. ओके. थर्ड कॉलम, सॉरी थर्ड पार्ट जो है इसका क्वेश्चन का, पेन, in that there is a loss of ₹1. Fourth part, ruler, the product is ruler. He bought the ruler for ₹3 and sold the ruler for ₹3.5. that means selling price is more. क्या हो रहा है? प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ? कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ? ₹0.50 का. डेसिमल नंबर्स माइनस करना आते हैं सारे बच्चों को, तो 3.50 सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस करेंगे, कितना आ जाएगा? 0.50. ओके. प्रॉफिट हुआ 0.50. लॉस वाला कॉलम ब्लैंक. गम, गम बोले तो दुख. गम का मतलब दुख होता है. क्या होता है? रोना धोना, परेशानी. चिपकाने वाले गम की बात कर रहे हैं, हिंदी वाले गम की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. चलिए, सो द गम CP is 17 rupees and SP is 19.50. अगेन सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर देन द कॉस्ट प्राइस, तो क्या होगा? प्रॉफिट होगा. कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ? 19.50 माइनस 17, दैट मीन्स ₹2.50 का प्रॉफिट हो गया. ₹2.50. लास्ट, नोटबुक. नोटबुक महंगी खरीदी सस्ती बेच दी. He bought the notebook for ₹6.50 and sold it for ₹5. That means लॉस उठा रहे हैं मिस्टर पुरी. नोटबुक के केस में कितना लॉस उठा रहे हैं? ₹1.50 का लॉस उठा रहे हैं. Now those who have written all the answers correctly, they can post a message in the chat box. All correct. Those who have got all the answers correctly. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. All correct. All correct. लगभग सारे ही बच्चों की all correct है. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Karanjit wants to say something. Just a minute. Yes, Karanjit.
Sir, I have done A and B part both.
Okay. Very good.
Sir, this is my favorite chapter.
No, this is your favorite chapter.
Very interesting.
क्या बात है. Very good. Okay. Question number B. B question करने के लिए थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर एक concept सीखेंगे. Let's learn how to do question B. In this, each of the case, selling price is given and selling price सारे cases में दिया हुआ है, और प्रॉफिट और लॉस में जो भी चीज हो रही है वो भी यहाँ पर गिवन है. अगर प्रॉफिट हो रहा है तो प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है, लॉस हो रहा है तो लॉस दिया हुआ है. आपको कॉस्ट प्राइस इज नॉट गिवन, द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज मिसिंग, तो वी विल यूज एन इक्वेशन अकॉर्डिंगली टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस. ओके, आइए देखें कैसे निकालते हैं. आई विल डू 2 पार्ट्स ऑन द बोर्ड and then I hope you all can understand easily. You can do this question in the book also, or if you want you can do this in the copy also. Okay, let's do question B in the copies. You all will do question B in copies because you need an equation in this, and you solve the equation, you will get the answer. So do this in your copies. Question B. Ayushman, you want to say something? Yes.
Sir, I have done.
What you've done?
Yes, sir, I have done in the book only.
Better do it in the copy. Karthik Khandelwal.
Sir. Hello.
हाँ जी बेटा बताइए कार्तिक.
Sir, I want to say that, sir, in A part, sir, I have done that. I have ticked the profit and loss.
A part you have ticked. Beta tick नहीं करना है. You have to find what the profit is or what the loss is. Find करना है कितना है. Okay.
Okay, sir.
हाँ जी. Anyone else? Atik. एक मिनट रुको बेटा. Let me unmute you. अक्षित है कौन है? Atik Singh. Yes, Atik.
Sir, I was asking that in B part we have to draw the table also.
In the B part, you don't have to draw the table. No. I'm telling you how to do it. Okay. No need for table. Yes, Rishika.
Sir, we have. Sir, if we can make a table and we can do and copy like.
Don't make a table. You don't have to make a table for B part. I'm telling you how to do it. Okay. Everyone, just listen to me. I will tell you how to do it. This is exercise 14.1. Question B. Now, the first part of the question says that the item that is bought is a radio. ठीक है, radio है. What is the selling price of the radio? The selling price is given. It is rupees 1,870. 1,870 rupees. 1,870. ठीक है. Profit is how much profit? 154. The profit is of rupees 154. 154. Okay. अब selling price is given, profit is given, profit हो रहा है, loss तो हो ही नहीं रहा है, loss का मतलब ही नहीं है. We have to find the cost price. So first you will write the formula of profit. Profit का formula क्या होता है? All of you please pay attention. मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ ध्यान से देखिए. Profit का formula होता है selling price minus cost price. अब आप लोग कहेंगे ये तो profit का formula है, मैं यहाँ से cost price कैसे निकालूंगा? चमत्कार देखिए, मैं यहाँ से cost price निकाल के दिखाऊंगा आपको. देखिए कैसे, ध्यान से देखिएगा. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. अब now how I will find the cost price? मैं यहाँ पे CP को RHS से LHS में ले जाऊंगा और प्रॉफिट को LHS से ले जाऊंगा RHS में. कैसे ले जाते हैं? If something is negative in RHS, CP के पहले क्या साइन लगा है? माइनस, यानी कि ये नेगेटिव है. नेगेटिव. एंड व्हेन इट गोज टू RHS, तो यहाँ पे जो माइनस साइन है वो प्लस साइन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. तो प्लस CP लिख दीजिए या प्लस साइन हटा दीजिए. अगर प्लस नहीं भी लगा हुआ दैट मींस इट इज पॉजिटिव. आपको मालूम है ये बात कि अगर किसी चीज से पहले प्लस साइन लगाएं या ना लगाएं, उसका मतलब यही है कि इट इज पॉजिटिव. ठीक है. एंड व्हेन प्रॉफिट गोज टू RHS, SP माइनस इट इज पॉजिटिव. प्रॉफिट से पहले कोई साइन नहीं लगा, कुछ भी नहीं लगा, दैट मींस इट इज पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव प्रॉफिट इज पॉजिटिव. प्रॉफिट जब RHS में जाएगा, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड, RHS मतलब राइट हैंड साइड, LHS मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. तो प्रॉफिट इज इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. जब वो RHS में जाएगा, राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा, इट बिकम्स नेगेटिव. माइनस साइन जब भी नेगेटिव होगी कोई चीज तो माइनस साइन लगाना जरूरी है. अगर कोई साइन नहीं लगा दैट मींस इट इज पॉजिटिव. Profit goes to RHS and it becomes negative profit. तो यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला याद करने की, नया फॉर्मूला याद करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन मेक न्यू फॉर्मूले यूजिंग द सेम फॉर्मूला. एक ही फॉर्मूला से मैं नए फॉर्मूले अपने आप बना सकता हूँ. यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक इट. ओके, तो सीपी क्या हो गया? एसपी माइनस प्रॉफिट हो गया. सीपी इज इक्वल टू, पुट द वैल्यूज, 1870 माइनस 154. ठीक है, माइनस कर लेंगे, सीपी मिल जाएगा. सीपी इज इक्वल टू कितना मिल गया? 16 और 100 और माइनस कर लो, 1716. एम आई राइट? रुपीज 1716. मेरी कैलकुलेशन सही है? एम आई राइट? Okay, very good. Karamjeet has made the table in the copy. Very good, beta. Hanji, Ishika, you are saying something.
Sir, I am not able to understand. And sir, whatever you have done on board, we have to do it in fair notebook.
Yes, you have to do it in your fair notebook. Rishika?
Sir, can I do by myself from my method?
Yes, you can use any method.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Unnati?
Yes, sir. I want to say that I have made table by mistake. So can I continue the B part in table?
Yes, you can do it in table also if you have already made it. No problem.
Okay, sir. But I will also write the solution.
Okay. Ayushman?
But we have to make table.
Not necessary. You can do it in this manner, the way I have done it on the board. Karamjeet, what are you saying?
Sir, can I start C part question 1?
अभी नहीं बेटा, वेट करो.
Okay, sir.
हाँ जी, कार्तिक खंडेलवाल.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I can't able to understand that why you have make this line.
These arrows.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
जी, ये क्यों बनाए हैं मैंने? ये सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए बनाए हैं मैंने. मैं प्रॉफिट को आरएचएस से एलएचएस से आरएचएस में ले गया, कॉस्ट प्राइस को आरएचएस से एलएचएस में ले आया. दिस मेथड आई हैव टोल्ड यू how to make a new formula using the same formula. I have used the same formula and I have made a new formula. I will tell you another method of doing it, no problem. Just wait. हाँ जी, कौन आया? विमान अग्रवाल. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I want to ask that if the CP is greater than SP, so sir, we have to minus or plus?
CP is greater than SP. मतलब क्या करने के लिए माइनस या प्लस? I'm not able to understand the question.
Sir, I'm asking that this formula that you have made, you have add something or not?
I'm not able to get your question. I'm not able to get your question. I will tell you everything. Don't worry. Okay, I will tell you. Okay. Ishika, are you saying something?
And this process.
Understood?
No, sir, I'm not able to understand this.
Okay, I will tell you another method of doing it. Don't worry.
Sir, whatever you have made on board, the arrows also we have to make.
Not necessary. If you want, you can make these arrows. Or just
Okay,
wait.
sir.
If you have not understood, you wait for the next method.
Okay, sir, I'll make this.
हाँ जी, करम जी.
Sir, I know how to do C part. Can I do?
Beta, not now. Wait for some time. अभी तो
Okay.
आपने पूछा. कार्तिक खंडेलवाल. कार्तिक
sir,
खंडेलवाल. हाँ जी.
no, sir, I don't want to say anything, sir. I by mistake raised.
Okay, no problem. हाँ जी, उन्नति.
Sir, in my book there is no C. There is only A, B, and then D.
हाँ बेटा, वो सबकी बुक में D है. That is a misprint. वो C, make it a C instead of D. Make it a C.
Okay, sir. I think that it is only in my book.
हाँ जी, रिशित.
Sir, I was also asking this only, that there is no C in my book.
There is actually, it is a misprint in the book. It is only C part. Okay, I am telling you another method of doing it. You directly use this formula. You have to learn a new formula for this now because you are not able to adjust with this thing. It's better if you adjust with this thing. I'm telling you, otherwise you will have to learn a new formula. If whenever there is a बहुत सारे फॉर्मूले लर्न करने पड़ेंगे. It's better to simply do the questions with this same formula. मैं यही फॉर्मूले से करवा रहा हूँ आपको. I am telling you in a different way. Profit formula क्या था? Profit is equal to, whenever there is a profit, selling price is more than the cost price. Obviously, that means SP minus CP is the formula. Now you put the value of profit. What is profit here? 154. You put the value 154. What is the selling price? It is 1870. Put the value of selling price also. And CP is missing. CP यहाँ पर missing है. तो CP को जब आप RHS से LHS में लेके आएंगे, it becomes positive. ये negative है, negative. याद रखिएगा, this is how you solve linear equations in mathematics. It is very important to learn this thing. All of you pay attention. It is very, very important to learn this method, how to do it. It is very useful for you all in higher classes also. To do it with this method, what I am telling you on the board. Okay, it is very important for your higher classes also. That is why I am telling you with this. And it is easy as well. इसके लिए आपको कोई नया फॉर्मूला याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Same formula will work everywhere. Okay. Profit is given. The formula is profit is equal to SP minus CP. You all know this formula. जब भी प्रॉफिट होता है SP माइनस CP करते हैं, निकाल लेते हैं प्रॉफिट. सपोज आपने जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल you bought a chocolate for ₹10 and you sold it for ₹15. 15 रुपए की आपने बेच दी. सेलिंग प्राइस 15 है, कॉस्ट प्राइस 10 है. तो आप कैसे निकालते हैं प्रॉफिट? सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस, 15 माइनस 10 करके तुम निकालते हो. कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ? ₹5 का. ओके. So formula is profit equal to SP minus CP. Same formula I will use here. Now everyone pay attention what I am telling you. Please listen to it. 154. Put the value of profit. What is the value? 154 rupees. What is the selling price? It is 1870. Put the value of selling price also. Cost price missing है, तो उसको cost price ही लिखा रहने दीजिए, CP. Now take this CP, you have to, from this equation, you have to, this is known as an equation. From this equation, you want to find the value of CP. CP क्या है? यहाँ पर negative है. जब ये LHS में ले जाएंगे हम, ये RHS है. This is equal to में दो साइड होती हैं. Equation में दो साइड्स होती हैं. Equal to के right side वाली जो चीज होती है, that is known as RHS. Equal to के left side में जो लिखा है, that is known as LHS. Okay. तो RHS में CP आपका negative है. आप इसको LHS में लेके जाएंगे because you have to find the value of CP, इसलिए उसको LHS में ले जाना पड़ेगा. तो ले जाएंगे LHS में, it becomes positive. साइन हटा दिया मैंने, माइनस हटा दिया यहाँ से because LHS में ले गया. 154 LHS में है ऑलरेडी, इसको RHS में लेके जाएंगे to find the value. 1870 के साथ कुछ भी नहीं करा है, वो पहले से ही RHS में, तो उसको कुछ नहीं करेंगे। 154 LHS में था, पॉजिटिव था, साइन कोई नहीं है यानी कि पॉजिटिव है, इसको RHS में ले जाएंगे तो ये नेगेटिव बन जाएगा, -154 यानी कि माइनस में चला जाएगा। पॉजिटिव था, RHS में गया तो माइनस में चेंज हो गया, -154 बन गया। Now CP is equal to 1870 minus 154. The answer is rupees 16। कितना आंसर आएगा? 17 क्या लिखा था मैंने? 1616 शायद, I think 1616 is the answer. Am I right? Rupees 1616। मैंने पहले क्या 1716 लिख दिया था क्या? Yes, now you all can tell me, have you all understood this?
Sir, now it is wrong. Mine is also coming 1716.
Yeah, 17.
Yes, sir, it's 1716.
By mistake, I wrote 1716.
Yes, sir. I was also telling this.
Yes, sir. I want to
Sir,
say
I can
that.
do more questions.
Sir, I want to see that.
सारे बच्चे मच्छी मार्केट बना देते हैं एक मिनट।
Sir, I can do more questions with the...
One by one.
Sir, I
Sir,
can do...
this is
One by one.
Sir, I am leaving the meeting.
Remain quiet. Remain quiet. Remain quiet. Remain quiet. Now listen.
Sir, I want
sir,
to
this
say
is
that.
the same method as
Remain quiet.
Sir,
I
this
said
is
remain
Can you
quiet.
start,
I
Sipan?
said remain quiet. Keep your mics off. सबसे पहली
Sir, I
बात
want to say
अरे
that.
अभी शांत रहो, माइक ऑन करने को नहीं बोला मैंने। Remain quiet and keep your mic off. Don't say anything. Listen to me. Don't say anything. I am saying ये आगे का जो बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं, सर मुझे आगे कौन से क्वेश्चन करने हैं, कौन से नहीं करने हैं, just wait. अगर आपने क्वेश्चन बी कंप्लीट कर लिया है, just wait. Don't do anything. Okay? इसके अलावा जिन बच्चों को डाउट है, सिर्फ वो बच्चे अभी मुझसे कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं तो बोलिए। If you have any doubt in this question,
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
In next question of calculator, there is
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, अभी मैं इस क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहा हूँ। सॉरी, कीप योर माइक ऑफ। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन। यस, एनीवन हैविंग एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन?
sir, this is the
Yes,
same
sir.
method like the second one only.
So,
हाँ जी,
so,
हाँ जी।
so please tell that what is the full form of HFS and LFS?
HFS and LFS.
Sir, I have a
Yes,
doubt.
Sir, he is talking about left hand side and right hand side.
Positive.
HFS नहीं है, that is LHS. LHS is
Left hand side and right hand side.
and RHS is right hand side. RHS right hand side, LHS left hand side. So equal.
Sir, what is this negative and positive?
नेगेटिव बेटा
Negative.
अगर कोई नंबर पे माइनस, कोई नंबर से पहले कोई भी चीज है उससे पहले अगर माइनस साइन लगा होता है, दैट इज नोन एज नेगेटिव। ओके, और अगर उससे पहले कोई भी साइन नहीं है या प्लस साइन लगा हुआ है, दैट इज नोन एज पॉजिटिव। ठीक है
Sir, if there is an divide sign, so it will be negative or positive?
डिवाइड लगा हुआ है, सो इट इज नीदर नेगेटिव नॉट डिवाइड लगा, तो अगर डिवाइड के बाद कोई भी सिंबल नहीं है, सपोज इट इज लाइक दिस। So suppose I give you an example of this 15 divided by 5. So here this number 15, it is positive, and the number 5, it is also positive. Both the numbers are positive. Positive or negative is decided only because of the plus sign or minus sign. ठीक है? Both the numbers are positive. ये दोनों नंबर positive हैं. So we are dividing a positive number 15 by a positive number 5. And if it is written like this, 15 multiplied by 5, then also both the numbers are positive. Negative कब होता है? Only when there is a minus sign. Only then we call it as a negative number. So if I multiply 15 by minus 5, 15 multiplied by minus 5, so I am multiplying a positive number by a negative number.
So, sir, there will be a bracket.
There will be a bracket because two operators
Yes,
cannot.
sir.
Sir, is it necessary to do all the questions with both the techniques, or we can do with only one?
Use this method. This method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, both the methods are same only.
Same ही है.
Yes, sir. Only.
Same.
Sir, only just the arrows are not there.
Yes, sir. Arrows are not
I have
there.
done the same thing. I have not put the arrows. But both the methods are same. Yes. Anything else?
Sir, but can I use arrows?
Can I do like this?
If you want, you can use arrows. Yes. If you want, you can use arrows. Okay. Anji, sure. Now you say. Now you tell what were you saying? Sure.
So the question is second calculator. We don't have profit and cost price. We have to tell the cost price. So in this we have to plus selling price plus loss.
Yes.
I will do it on the board. Everyone, I'm doing it. The second
Excuse
one.
me, sir. Sir, I had sent my method on the group that how I had done. So please check it.
On the group, you have sent it.
I have also, sir.
On the WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please see.
Sir, it is less than 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Yes, your method is correct. Okay. You have also done the same thing, but you have used a direct
Hi,
formula.
sir. Thank you, sir.
मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ because you don't have to use a direct formula. That is why I have told you this method. Okay.
Sir.
जी.